Hi, today we'll talk about how to manage the pages in our twinspace. So first of all, let's get in the twinspace, click on the pages section, and here you can find that I have already uploaded a few pages. This is a general presentation of the project together with a link to the UN Sustainable Development Goals for 2030. I have added a project timeline, so have a look. And so here is what we are supposed to do during our project, the project map. And as you can see, I have uploaded different types of content. I have uploaded pages, files, links, as well as I have also embedded web pages or other types of digital content. For example, here you can see the map, but to act on the map you have to click on it and you have to add a marker and put it into the position, the location where your school is. Okay, what do you have to do to upload a new page, to create a page? You have to click on create a page, write the title, write something. You can also add it as a sub-page of another page if maybe the content is the same. Submit your new page, and now you have to act and modify it in order, here you just added the title. You have to scroll down the screen, add content to the page. You may also add a twin board to the page, add a poll to the page, and when you finish adding your content, you will save the changes. So let's add some content. Of course, you can write a text. As usual, you can modify it, choose the character, the dimension, the color, and also some highlight color. And here is the result. You may also add a link to your text, as we've seen before. You can add a URL to your text in order to make it an active link to a web page. Or you can also add embed a web page, and this is what we are going to do today. So to embed some type of kind of digital content, for example a Padlet. Let's look for a Padlet or a video you can also embed. For example, here is one of my Padlets, and let's try this one. Okay, for example, if you have created a Padlet, you should look for the sharing options. In the sharing options, you should choose Incorpora. In English, it's embed. And you should copy this long link so the URL is shorter. So I have copied it. I go back to the twinspace and I just paste it, always with Ctrl+V, and I submit it. Well, now what do you see? I have submitted. It has been pasted just as a text. You have to open again the modifications, submit them again, and then you will see that your digital content has been embedded. In particular, the interesting thing is that you can act on your Padlet or on your map right from the page. Now I will, of course, delete this page you can always delete a page, but before deleting it, I would like to, you can always delete it by clicking on the dustbin. But I will save it just to show you what happens if you save it without modifying some of the characteristics that are written here. If you just save the changes as they are, you get your page labeled draft. In order to make it an ordinary page and not a draft, you just open it for modifying it and act on this section. You go to Who Can See This Page, click on twinspace members and save the changes. And here you can see that your page has been considered a page, a normal page, let's say. Okay, so of course you can also add files. For example, we can add this file and you just get your file from the folders of the materials. You can also add photos. You can either browse the computer or upload a picture, and as well as for the videos, you have first to upload them to the twinspace, and then you can choose to put them in your page. Okay, so here we have uploaded a file, a picture, a video, and some digital content. Okay, now I can save the changes. I will save the changes, but now I have clicked something too much. I don't want to keep this page. What can I do? I can remove content from this page and also archive this page. Archive, it is never cancelled at all. The pages are archived, and if you want to retrieve them, you have to go to archived pages. Okay, and you can no longer see it in the page but in the archive. Okay, and now something more will be added to this tutorial, that is how to create a forum. Okay, to create a forum, you can also use the tool in the page. For example, if I want to modify this page, for example, here in this page, I have created a discussion. So if this is the question, you go to the discussion and you reach the forum section. So you can reply to the thread, but you can also go directly to the forum section and create a discussion from here. You add a discussion also here. Let's type here also with the description of your discussion. You submit it, and so I can go to this discussion and create a thread. The thread is another, okay, and also the title and the text. And so you just, this is the name of the forum, this is the thread, and you can reply to the thread. So you can see here there has been one reply. Of course, I don't want to keep this thread and this discussion, and I can cancel it and archive them. So I will archive my discussion.